Guten Morgen alle zusammen. So today we are going to be looking at the numbers again. Okay, so I'll be saying them and you can repeat them after me. All right, so die Zahlen, numbers in German. Now don't worry about feeling silly about this. It's only you and me, and I can't even hear or see you, so don't worry about it. So, die Zahlen, the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do that again. You repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we've got the two funny numbers, 11, 12. Okay, what I want you to do is copy those down in the book, Die Zahlen. Write today's date, which I will put on Google Classroom, and write as the title, Die Zahlen, and then copy down the numbers. Tschüss!